Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the Serious Celebration stamp and die set. This video is a part of the new June release. The Serious Celebration stamp set is a 3x4 stamp set created by Love Dunny Studios. This is the perfect stamp set to create quick cards. Just stamp and color it out. The die set are meant to be used alone, but it also coordinates with the Serious Celebration stamp set. The word serious and shadow layer matches up with the stamp as well as the banner and the stars. And you can see here some examples using the coordinating dies, and you can see how nicely you can pair this out and use, as well as the stars. You can see them cut out here, and they are perfect to create a little bit more dimension to your card. You will see later on in the design team's projects how they can be used. You can also see that the sentiment that comes in the die set can be switched out to create even more variation on your projects. For example, this one, you can see how nicely you can cut this out. It's time for a celebration or a serious celebration. And that is something I really like when you get a lot of different options with your stamps and dies. Since this is a smaller stamp and die set, that means that the pricing is really good. And I think this is a stamp and die set that you can get a lot of use out of. I hope you will enjoy the projects that the design team has. And if you want even more inspiration, visit Trinity Stamps Instagram, Facebook and blog. Bye!